Hi guys, so this is Aditya and today in my video I am going to show you how to repair your computer when beep sound does not come and monitor does not on. So first of all, you have to remove all the cables of your computer such as Ethernet cable, VGA cable and mouse cable and keyboard cable. Here I remove all the cables. So see guys, so here I have removed all the cables of my computer, and you have to also remove the CPU plate of your computer. See, I have removed. So as you can see, I have removed my CPU plate, and this is hard disk, and this is the cooling fan, and these are the two RAMs, and this is the RAM slot, and this is the graphic card slot, and this is called CMOS, which is most important characteristic of my video, and this is called bus, and this is the power input of my computer. So to repair your computer, first of all you have to remove these RAMs. See, as I have removed one of my RAM, and you have to remove all RAMs, and also you have to remove this CMOS. To remove this CMOS, you require tester or any screwdrivers. So as you can see, I have removed my CMOS, and you have to tap 3 or 2 times to your PC on input of your computer. See, I am tapping so that it loses all the energy that it has in it. So guys, you have to reconnect your RAM slots and CMOS. Here I connect it. So you have to be careful while connecting these RAMs. So you have to press little bit in these RAM slots so that it will fix firmly into these slots. So here I connect these RAMs, and now I will connect this CMOS. So I'm connecting this CMOS. So I have connected the CMOS of my PC and RAMs. So after you reconnect these RAMs and the CMOS, you have to connect all the cables of your PC. So this is my keyboard cable, and this is called VGA cable. And this is AUX cable, and this is monitor cable, and this is the mouse cable, and last, this is the Ethernet cable for only users of internet. So I will fix my computer. So guys, I'm switch oning my computer. So as you can hear the beep sound, and my monitor got on. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram.